In this video, I will show you how to update Safari browser on macOS. So let's get started. Safari is a default browser for Mac, so it can be updated only if macOS is up to date. So updating your Mac will automatically update your Safari browser. First, open Apple menu by clicking on Apple logo on the top left corner. Now click System Settings. Click General. Now click Software Update. Just wait for your Mac to automatically check for available updates. Now click on Upgrade Now button next to Mac Update. Enter your administrator password to proceed. Your Mac will download and install update. Once the update is installed, Safari browser will be updated along with OS updates. If your Mac is already updated, you will not find Upgrade Now button. So that means your Safari browser is already updated and there is no need for you to take any action to update Safari browser. So that is how you can update Safari browser on your Mac. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.